For this assignment, we are going to write about the story on page 158. We're going to first read the story on the next page, and then we will go back to write. This sheet and story was in your take-home folder yesterday. Here's my book. You could read along with me. Little and Big. Deb can see it. It is little. In the picture, we can see the little seed. Deb can pat it in. So she's patting her seed in the dirt. It is not little. And we can see in the picture that the pumpkins grew very big. Deb can sit on it. It is big. And we can see in the picture that the author is telling us about the pumpkin, because the pumpkin is really big and Deb is sitting on the pumpkin. Now let's go back to page 185 in your packet, and the directions are asking us to write about what Deb does. Remember, Deb was the girl that was planting the pumpkin seeds, and then the pumpkins grew. So we're going to write about that here. Here I wrote, Deb planted a big pumpkin. Big is my adjective that I use to describe the pumpkin. So you could write yours like mine, or you can find something else that Deb did. You can go back and look at the pictures. You can also say she planted a big pumpkin. She is the pronoun that you can use to replace Deb's name. So think about what you want to write and just try to sound it out as you write it. When you're all done with this, I would still like you to bring the writing sheet back to school, and also before you send it back to school, try to have an adult take a picture and post it to Google Classroom.